A very warm welcome to all of you. Myself Dr. Neha Mandada, and today's topic is root canal treatment, a widely known topic. Everyone must have heard about this term, or even some may have gone through the treatment of root canal. Here I have come to show some details about the root canal treatment, about its stages, how it is carried out, what are the visits it should require, what is the post-operative care, and what are the complications. Well, tooth is composed of four tissues. Outermost is enamel, dentin, pulp, and cementum. Cementum is the hardest part where it is calcified, and pulp is a part which is very soft, innermost, and non-calcified. It pulp contains connective tissue, blood vessels, and nerves. Where if the pulp is infected or got damaged, then there is a need of root canal treatment. Root canal treatment is nothing but the removal or cleaning up of whole pulp chamber, debridement of the canal, and placing or filling complete obturating the obturation material like rubber like material called gatta parcha. So here we get to know about the steps involved. First of all, step 1 is when medication doesn't work, then there is a need of root canal treatment. Okay, so first of all, we make a hole on the top of the crown, that is on the enamel, and from this blind pathway, with the help of aerator, we make our path towards pulp chamber. After using with the help of using apexometer and endomate with rotary instruments and hero shaper files, we debride our complete root canals and remove the inflamed infectious pulp from there. After that, we clean up all the chamber with the all irrigants and make sure it is debrided. After that, we fill it with three-dimensional gatta parcha. Filling should be completely done from apical ceilings to opening of the chamber. When the seal is proper, some of the times there is a need of extra material, that is called as post and core treatment, if the tooth has not sufficient support. After that, we can use a proper restorative material for the sealing of the whole tooth. After completing our root canal treatment, prosthetic treatment such as crown placement is done. This is the way we complete our treatment. So now the question arises, how many visits are there required? Nowadays, it is very possible that we can conduct root canal treatment in a single sitting. But according to the infection and swelling patient has, we can prolong the visits of the treatment. What might be care after RCT we should take? To avoid further complication, we should have regular dental checkups, follow instructions of dentist, maintain good oral hygiene, clean your interdental areas of your teeth with the use of floss, use of soft toothbrush, and use gentle pressure on your teeth. Avoid chewing or biting sticky and hard foodstuff on the RC treated tooth. Well, what are the alternatives to the root canal treatment? Well, root canal treatment is very good line of treatment. It has a success rate of 95%. But if the tooth is grossly carious and there is not enough bone support, then last stage arises, that is extraction of the tooth. Conclusion is, if the proper medications and post-operative care is taken as your doctor is prescribing, then you can avoid further complication of it. Thank you very much.